Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to fix laptop cooling fan noise in your Windows. So for this guys, first method, you just open your control panel, select these large icons, then select the power option, and now here guys you select the change plan settings, then select the change advanced power settings. So finally in this format guys, you can see here sleep option. You expand this, click on plus mark and expand the sleep after. Change the value, give the 5. Next expand the hibernate after, give the value 5 and give the value 5. After then click on apply and click on OK. Now restart your PC. Hopefully guys it will fix your problem, and if your problem not solved, you go to professional technician and tell him about your issue. Hopefully it will solve your problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.